YouTube channel is Pufututu. Get ready guys for an epic journey of entertainment, laughter and knowledge. Are you ready? Let's start!
Boo boo, that girl. I don't know when I started feeling this, but now I can't stop thinking about her. She is innocent, gentle, everything I ever wanted. Why should I let someone else marry her? Why should I let her go? No, Boo Boo has to marry me, only me. I won't let her choose anyone else. I won't let her say no. If she doesn't agree willing, then I will make her agree. I don't care what anyone says. Boo Boo belongs with me. She must marry me. She has to marry me. And I will make sure it happens, no matter what.
I love him. Yes, I truly love Dudu sir. I never wanted to feel this way. But my heart chose him without asking me. But what do I have? Nothing. I am poor. I don't wear expensive clothes. I don't live in a big house. I don't have status, name or money. I only have my dream and my courage. Today, I have nothing, absolutely nothing. And that truth hurts me the most. How can I stand beside a man like him? How can I become his wife like this? People will laugh at me. They will shame him because of me. And I can't let that happen. But today I have nothing. That doesn't mean I will always have nothing. If I work hard, if I don't give up, if I fight for my dreams, one day I will have everything. Respect, identity, strength, and a life that I can be proud of. One day, when I stand in front of Dudu sir, I want to stand as his equal. I don't want him to feel ashamed of me. I want him to feel proud that I never gave up. He loves me. I know that. And because he loves me, I must become stronger. Not for him, but for myself. If my love is true and his love is real, then I will accept his proposal. I will marry him, not as a helpless poor girl, but as a woman who created her own future. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more. Bye bye.